Hello guys, and welcome once again to a new video. Today we are with this KRUPS EA89 model, and I want to show you how to clean the grinder. So the problem with this unit is that the grinder, you can hear it grind, everything spins, but unfortunately no coffee goes into the brewing chamber, and eventually the coffee is weak, or it's just plain water coming through the nozzles. Okay, so how to do this? Yeah, you first need to remove all the accessories, yeah, and with the T10 Torx you have to remove these 4 screws up here, yeah. So I will try to be as quick as possible in this demonstration. I don't want to lose your time. So 4 screws over here. And this part should come off pretty easy, and this will leave us with this area. And as you can see, let's change the cam angle. We have some water here for testing. By the way, let's remove also the water tank. Let's put it aside, like so. And as you can see, a lot of coffee still remains in this area, even though it spins. Yeah. So we need to clean this. Yeah. So in order to do this, we need to remove the front panel. Yeah. And to do this, we need to remove 2 screws, one over here, same T10 Torx, and the other one in the opposite side, like so. And then this comes off. Here are 2 hooks, and here is a connector. Just push on the tab here, and then you can remove the connector, like so, and this will be removed completely. Yeah. And now we have access to this upper part, which is held in place with 2 additional screws, one over here and one over here. Same T10 Torx. And another one on the back here. Yeah. So this is a long way to reach the screw. So you will need a long screwdriver. And now we can remove this upper part, and this gives us access to this area, which we can work on. Okay, so let's first vacuum clean everything in this area. We can remove this. Let's use a brush to dislodge the coffee that got stuck. So usually why this happens, these are several reasons. Either your teeth in the grinder are worn out. In this case you need to change the entire grinder. but in some cases it's due to the coffee that it's really oily, yeah, and this gets stuck inside of the grinder and the coffee doesn't pour out through this slide over here, yeah. So to be honest, I don't know what's the case here in our case, but we will see, yeah. So here we have the selector. As you can see, how you spin this, you will select the grinding fine, yeah. And what this does is just goes up or down, puts up or down the grinder, and gives you the fine of the grind, yeah. So we still have here some coffee, yeah. Good. So here, I don't know if you can see, here we have a mark, yeah. Let's put it in this way, so all the way in this direction. This is not good, okay, like so. And you can see we have a mark, like a green mark from the factory. For this we will need a Sharpie pen, and we will make a mark also on this side, like so, and we will know exactly where to put this part, yeah. Now we can remove the spindle, and we will need a flathead screwdriver, a small one. And to remove this part over here, we just need to push it a little bit, and this will pry up like so, and the same way over here. Let me check. Yeah, so there are two tabs. Let me see if you can see it, yeah. One over here, one over here, also one in this area over here. So you need to push it inside and pull it out like so, and now you can remove it, yeah. As you can see, I made the mark. This should be aligned with the green tab from the factory, yeah. And now you can remove this fine grind over here. As you can see, this is really dirty, yeah. And we also have a seal over here which is destroyed, yeah. We will need to change that as well. And also inside, if you take a look, I don't know if you can see it, this is some black residue. I don't know if it's what's going on, but clearly has to be cleaned. So we need to dislodge everything. As you can see, now we can see the teeth of the grind itself. So something really got stuck over here. And this doesn't let the coffee slide outside at all. Look how much coffee is here. So if you use poor quality coffee, really oily coffee, you will have this type of problem. Yeah. I don't think this coffee machine was ever serviced or cleaned. Anyway, I will clean everything off camera and come back. So in the cleaning process, I removed the piston over here. This gives you more access to the slide over here, because I also have to clean this drain hole over here, because coffee is getting grind, and the fine coffee goes to here drain and goes into this slide and into the chamber. Yeah, so for this I created this out of copper wire and just insert it and clean this this drain, because a lot of coffee was here, yeah, clogged. Yeah. So I managed to clean everything over here, dislodge the way or the output for the slide, and now we have to clean this other part over here. As you can see, here was the O-ring staying, yeah, right on this groove over here, and here we have a wall made out of burned coffee. Yeah, so we need to clean this, yeah, as well. And also inside you can see all these teeth are covered with burnt coffee or whatever was into this this grinder. So let's clean everything as well. So cleaned everything, yeah. Change also the O-ring over here. This is only needed for the grinded coffee to not come out. Yeah, it will keep the pressure on the wall of the grinder, so it will not spin at all. So we need to put this in place. Then this will go down like so. And now we only need to align the green line with our line, and we can click in place everything, yeah, like so. This will create the fine grind. Like so. Okay, so let's put back the piston back into place. I've removed this only for the to have more access, yeah. And now we can put back this washer like so, and the screw. So be careful not to lose this screw. This is stainless steel. If you put another material here, it will rust. And now we have to put this that cleans the slide like so. everything is in place. Let's clean this coffee over here. And this is it. Yeah, we only need to put this gasket over here, and now we have the grinder cleaned. So let's put everything back in place and test with some coffee. Yeah. So I've installed everything back in place without this coffee compartment. I just put some grinded coffee here, just enough on this slide for the grinder to take them, and let's see if it works. You know? So first of all, we need to power up the unit. Okay, and let's request short coffee. So preparing. I just put my hand here for the coffee to not go everywhere. So preheating. We have coffee. Your drink is ready. Yeah. Nice looking coffee. Yeah. So let's try it again. Yeah, let's put here. Okay. Clearly now the grinder works. Okay, so in my opinion, this is a success. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to ask me any question, please put them in the comment section below. I will gladly respond. And if you want to see this type of videos, repairing stuff, how to, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.